resembles brinjal plants very much. But these are not brinjal plants. They have grown up just like that. I can see several such plants here. This is another here. This is another plant. I forgot the name of that plant. I used to know in younger days. And this is another plant which I am very much interested. Looks just like the touch me not, and it works like that also. It's not the small variety of touch me not, but a different variety. You see, the leaves are collapsing when I touch, but not like the usual touch me not, which is smaller variety. This also has barbs. You can see the barbs here. See, in childhood days, I used to be interested in all these plants. There are other, maybe if I look around, there will be real touch me not plants as well. This is another plant which I used to be interested in younger days. Again, I do not know the name. This plant is quite dangerous. When the fruits come, that is going to be catastrophic. That is Mucuna pruriens. It produces a very itchy dust on its surface. The fruits are so harmful. When the fruits dry in the sunny season, the fruits have a covering which is quite itchy. So whenever you see these plants, they have to be removed immediately. Otherwise, you are going to have real problem. This plant is worth remembering. I didn't know that this is the plant which produces that fruits. Only recently when I came here, one of the plants had the fruits. When I saw the fruits, it was very, very clear. So just remember this plant, Mucuna pruriens, very, very, very itchy fruits. Not the fruits, but its covering. Monsoon winds have taken their toll. You can see this is my plant on the floor. And I can't salvage it because it's too late. Due to other problems, I am not coming here usually. That's why it's all occurred like this. This is one plant which I used to be interested in childhood. We used to pluck the leaves and squash it and produce a mixture which used to be used instead of soap. It was nice to have a bath with these plants. I forgot the name. I used to know that, but now after a long period it is not coming to my mind. This of course is a curry leaves plant left unattended. So this plant is climbing on that. Here also you can see that plant which produces itchy fruits. That has to be removed. That's why I am here. We are planning to remove all those dangerous or harmful plants. This plant produces, maybe familiar to you, but this I am not sure whether it's a wild variety because I have not planted this one. In younger days we used to plant similar plants and get the roots as good food. But now since this has come as a wild plant, there is also a wild variety, but the wild variety usually produces smaller fruits. This one I am not sure whether it is wild or edible. This again my favorite touch me not, bigger variety, not the smaller touch me not. It's quite interesting too. The flowers are also very nice. Some round flowers will be there. Let me see whether flowers are there. This is again that same plant which we used to eat the roots, tubers I would say, not really roots, tubers we used to use. This is another curry leaves plant, all left unattended for quite some time. This was a grafted, variegated guava plant. Now you can see some fruits over here. Interestingly, the plant has lost all its variegation. I had bought from the nursery, and now all these leaves are without variegation. You can see plenty of guavas here. Lot of them are there. Very many guavas you can see here, but they are not ripe. In younger days I would take these unripe ones and eat as well, but now it's too difficult. This is a tiny one just emerging from the flower. These are all third or fourth generation of plantains. That is, they were grown from tissue culture plants. This is now probably third or fourth generation. It's going on like that. One papaya tree which has fallen down in the wind, left unattended again. This papaya tree I didn't plant, it came on by itself. Interesting thing is that even the other part is growing. This is continuing to grow even though it has nearly fully severed here. You see, it's almost fully severed, still it's growing. This is a moringa plant. It has been here for several years, but since we harvest frequently, it has not grown much. Actually, this was grown from seeds. It was not grown from twigs, or branches or stem cuttings. This plant, another wild plant, I do not know the name. There are so many wild plants here. This is the plant which we used to use instead of soap. Pineapple plant within the woods, I would say. In the bush, it's difficult to see this pineapple plant now. Today I have to clean up. I brought some help also. They will be cleaning up everything. And this will be a nice place by evening. And this is plant a new one, maybe fourth generation of a tissue culture plant. It's a variegated crepe jasmine. You can see the nice flowers here. Very good bush. It has grown as a very good bush. This is a variegated type of crepe jasmine. That is, variegation is only for the leaves, but not for the flowers. Leaves are fully variegated. And another interesting plant is here. It has grown so much. See, I think these are sweet potato plants. I have never seen it growing like this, because I think we had discarded some material, that is branches here. It has grown up from the wild. Again, my touch me not. I am very fond of touching them. I am using boots to walk around because otherwise I might injure myself. And even then, if I step on a reptile, I will have a trouble. So I will not continue this much. This looks exactly like my sweet potato plants, but sweet potatoes have come up in these regions. I'll have to check deep inside there. Maybe there could be some sweet potatoes there. This is my Hawaiian tea plant, again buried by the bushes. Oh, the sweet potato plants have gone there as well. Very interesting. I'll have to clean up the whole thing, and then maybe by evening, if everything is fine, I can share another video. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.